Lithium-ion battery module, a compact, powerful structure designed for high-efficiency energy storage. Luoyang Tianhuan, a Lithium battery, is a leading supplier of lithium-ion battery cells and a professional designer and manufacturer of advanced battery modules and packs. Let's take a closer look inside. The outer shell provides structural protection and thermal management. Inside, precision-designed brackets hold each cell securely in place. Here are the 12 series-connected lithium-ion cells, arranged in one parallel row, hence the name 1P12S. Each cell is linked with FPC connectors for efficient current transfer. We also integrate temperature sensors, BMS terminals, and insulating layers for safety and performance. All components are carefully assembled back to form a robust, reliable battery module. Designed for electric vehicles, energy storage systems, and industrial applications, ready to deliver power where it matters. This is the power behind the future. From cells to solutions, Luoyang Tianhuan Battery offers stable supply, technical support, and custom modules. Partner with us today.